Hello guys, this is the automated OE tracking system that we have designed and installed in a factory to see the performance of this software. And this is the dashboard of this software, and you can see there are 18 graphs on this dashboard. That means we have 18 machines on the production line, and each graph relevant to the specific machine. And once your machine is running, it will plot the graph, and when your machine is stopped, you can see there is no graph in that relevant graph. And also it is shown the machine speed and the machine OEE above of that graph, and also it is shown in the whole production line OEE. It is shown in this window as a line CE, line C OEE, that is the whole production line OEE. And also it is in this software it is included several options and here you can download your report, downtime report as well. And this is where our system is installed. There are 17 machines in our production line, and you can download your downtime report from this software, and there is a specific downtime report for each machine. And this is the one of the downtime report relevant to the specific machines. And here it is, once you download this report, you can find out what time of downtime was there for a particular downtime. That means if you have a mechanical breakdown, you will have 30 minutes downtime. If you have electrical breakdown, like that, it shows your downtime type and time taken for that downtime. And also it is mentioned in the machine speed of that downtime. And also it is shown this another information about the machine OE and the availability and the performance. Also this software is, by using this software, you can see the previous data of your machine as a graph. You can like this. If your machine is ran, you will have a graph, and if you don't run your machine, that means if you stopped your machine, you don't have a graph. And in this graph you can see there are some area you don't have a graph, but in some area you have a graph. That means if you don't have that graph in the particular area, that means you didn't run your machine. That is how you can use this software to identify where your machine is stopped and what are the reasons for your machine stopped, like that. And we will give you more videos about this software to install your factory if you like as well. Thank you very much for looking this video.